Okay, hello. This is just going to be a quick video on a cashback app that I found called Cheddar. So that is the logo on the screen now, and like it says, it is not an ordinary cashback app. As always, before we start, please make sure to join the Discord if you want early access to this content. I usually put it in text form, and then when I get time I can put it into a video. There's tons more options in there that can be better suited for you, all categorized A to Z and in certain types, so you can just assign yourself a role for the ones you're interested in. There's a faucet feature, so you can claim money just by doing a command in the server, and occasional giveaways. I think we're pretty close to the next one. I think it's 350 members, and the screenshot was taken a few days before this video. So definitely join even if it's just for that. Okay, so what is Cheddar? As I've already said, it's a cashback app, but instead of activating offers, like going on the app and clicking on specific offers you're interested in and scrolling through pages and pages of different offers until you find one that you like, this app actually lets you buy gift cards and you can just add it to your Apple Wallet. So to name a few, there's major supermarkets like Asda, Tesco, Sainsbury's, Waitrose, etc. Delivery services like Just Eat and Uber, hotel companies and Airbnb, and fashion brands. I've seen Nike, Adidas and ASOS on there. Within the app, they also have a loyalty card section, so you can scan in the barcode from each of your loyalty cards, whether it's Nectar, Tesco Club card, Sparks card. You can scan them all in one convenient place. You load the app while you're in the store and just scan it from there rather than your Apple Wallet. This is particularly useful if you have lots of stuff stored on your Apple Wallet, so if you get the train quite regularly, they all get stored in there unless you delete them, or just tickets to certain events that go on your Apple Wallet. But yeah, it doubles up as a convenience app in that respect, but you can also get cash back through the gift card system. So is it a good option for you? The earnings are relatively low, even long term, but it is good for anyone who's planning the trip ahead, especially if there's travel or hotel stays, as if there's multiple rooms or multiple people, it definitely adds up. People who already use cashback, so this system is slightly different to what you'll be used to with activating offers on the app, but it works just as well, and in my opinion it's easier. And due to the convenience of having loyalty cards all in one place, it's good for time savers who want to just find it quickly. And obviously tax-free enjoyers, all cashback earnings is tax-free. So earning potential. Earning potential varies a lot depending on how much you're actually spending. In general, what I found is 1 to 8% available as a base value. They also offer boosts occasionally on certain brands or events. So recently they had a Just Eat one that boosted it up to 11.5%. You'll see that in the example that I give at the end of the video, as I got some of that myself. I think the highest I've seen on the app currently is about 13% when it was boosted. But yeah. There are also tiers available on the app which give you higher rates. You unlock them by getting a gift card every week, so it's kind of like a streak if you want to call it that. And as you can see on the screen there, bronze is around 0.2 to 0.4% above what the base is, or the non-boosted amount. Silver is 0.4 to 0.6. And gold I don't actually have, but I'm imagining it just goes up by another 0.2 on the lowest and maximum. If I'm not mistaken, they also have blue light, which gives you a free gold boost. I think I saw that somewhere, so that's definitely worth checking if you have an NHS blue light discount. And the first time you use the app, you get a £3 bonus. Just use my referral link in the description. That would be great if you could. Obviously, you don't have to if you don't want to, but it helps us both out. Like I said, it's going to be a quick and easy video. I'll give you a quick rundown on my phone of how the app looks now, and then end the video off. Okay, so this is what the app looks like. These are just the main gift cards on the home screen. There's a food and drink section there, supermarkets, the popular section, which I'll go into here, different percentages that you get on each when you purchase the gift card. Where do I go next? This is a voice recording over the top. There's my favorites at the top, and there's a different boost that I was on about. So you can see there the Airbnb boost went up from 4 to 4.2 to 4.4. Yeah, what's the next page? Oh, my cashback. So there you can see I got a gift card, Just Eat, £200, and I think that got me about £26. And there's the streak section that I was on about with the gold boost if I purchase another gift card for 4 weeks in a row. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.